Hello Chroma kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw mango. Do you know what is mango? Mango is a sweet, juicy fruit that many people call the king of fruits. It's grow on a big tree and comes in different colors like yellow, orange and green. Mangoes are soft on the inside and having a big seed in the middle. They are fun to eat in summer because they taste so yummy and full of vitamins. Mango are also used to make juice, ice cream and smoothies. In some countries, kids love to eat them fresh or even make mango pickles. Remember, eating fruit like a mango helps you stay healthy and strong. It's like a treat from nature. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.